All right, welcome everybody to a secret session. No, that didn't work. I tried to get the secret session thing to stay up. It did not. Welcome everybody to a secret session here. We have the members, and we're going to try to knock out a quick secret session. Listen, here's like we're on the edge of falling off. The good news is it's not just we're on the edge of falling off. We're also on the edge of we can bounce off this pretty nicely and have a super bearish, bullish continuation, right? What I'm watching is this is it. We have 7 minutes, 6 minutes right now until this bearish cross closes right here. So this is what I'm watching. I'm watching to see this bear cross close, and I want to go back. Now look, it's bounced off there, right? Came in a little more flat, not as angled down, not as sharp, right? Let's see where this cross. That was a bear cross, right? Continued out bearish. That was a bull cross, continued out bullish. This was a bull cross, had a nice bull cross, right? Not on price action. This is actually a on price action cross right here between the 7 and the 50. And what I'm looking for, look, another cross on price action right there between the 7 and the 50. So the 7 and 50 likes to do it on the price action. All right, there we go. Here was a bear cross right here. There was a bull cross right there. So you see that bear cross. This bull cross played out very nice. And you know what you're not seeing is listen, that bull cross when that kicked off right there, that went from 6,300 to, you know, I don't know if you would have got out of that too well. You probably would have got out of that 6,500. There's a bear cross, right? Bear cross, bull cross, bear cross, bear cross. I'm trying to find the ones that are on price action. Bull cross, bear cross, but then bull cross, right? There's a price action one. See, it just goes for a little while, then it reverses when it's on price action. It just doesn't seem like it's, I mean, I don't know. It's 50-50 on here for these price action crosses. I mean, that's really what I want to see. It just, I don't like this cross on the actual. See, there's a cross on the price action. I don't like these crosses on price action. So I'm going down, just taking a peek. Cross on, see, look, cross on price action. That would have been a bearish cross. I'm sorry, that would have been a bearish cross, and it still did play out bearish. Okay, so we now have 4 minutes left in this bad boy to play out. And let's just buzz through some charts here. This is critical. This is going to also change, right? When the blue trend line breaks this lower 333 area right here, the green. Now remember, I talked about this early in the video I just posted. I like to see the red get ahead of the blue because it shows that it's looking for a reversal, and we're neck and neck on this baby. This thing is just running. See, when it's running together right here, see how this is, the two lines run together, the price action's still running with it. See, when they're together, right? And then look, the red breaks away, and then you start to see a turn. Look, they're running together, and then as soon as that breaks away, you're like, oh, okay, good, that's great. You know, you can look for a reversal. But like, we are still running together, and this has been a hell of a run together right here. Without that much price action, you know, movement. We're just not seeing that. We're just seeing a straight run down. This is going to change in 3 minutes. We're going to see where this baby opens and closes right here in 3 minutes. A couple of the other areas we're watching. We've got a bear cross almost. We're kind of we're trying to rip around for a bear cross of the RSI. There that is. Another great indicator. So take a look. This is the 4 hour. This is the Phoenix DJI TSI from, this is from, what's his name? David Ward. And listen, when you lose this area, you know, you go bear. You go bear, right? And that's what happens. Look, you lost the area right here. and this was a bear trend down. So you bear trended down, right? Lost the area right there and bear trended down. Lost it and bear trended down, right? Super bear trended down, I guess, back there. So look at how long we've been up above this area. This has been a huge run right here on this indicator. Now remember, the price action is down here. This is Bitcoin right here. And so if we lose this area, closing in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Ooh, I don't want to move it. There it is. Let's keep it right there. So 2 minutes. This is we're going to see if we're going to lose and or hold that area right there. Okay, same thing. This cross right here always means something. I don't know what this freaking cross means. I got to figure out. So if this thing turns red, so we're going to put that note in there. All right, we're watching, looking to see if this turns red, right? If that turns red, that equals bear, right? That equals very bearish right there. So if that turns red, it goes bear, and then we do get a pretty good fallout. You can see where it dropped out here. Let me move this stuff out of here. So you can see where this, it turned red, bear, turn red, bear, turn red, bear, turn red, bear. So we're still yellow, right? And I should throw a trend line on this. Let's throw a yellow and red trend line. I'm going to put it right there, and I'm going to make that a yellow. A little thicker. There we go. So there's your trend line, and you're just, I could... I don't know, people. That's pretty close right there. That's pretty darn close. I'm just going to leave that right there. But it just hasn't turned red yet, right? That thing has not gone red right there. Okay, I need to keep an eye on my trades. I'm a little scared right now. So I have reduced the majority of my trades. I did. I'm very heavily reduced in my trades. Just kind of waiting this out right here to see what happens before I go crazy in any other trades, right? So I'm just crazy. Like, if I do get back in and I play something, I'm going to play, probably some of these IEO, scammy IEO tokens, Sellermatic, FET, T-Fuel, Atom, things like that. Those Litecoin, I even like Litecoin. So those are kind of my picks for scammy play. Those are my scammy token plays. All right, okay, we just had our close. We're 1 minute into our close. Let's go back, see what happened. All right. Oh, on the line. Oh my God, on the line. Does this, look at the red. Look at the red right there. Does this turn together? Gosh, I've never seen, I don't know, right? Does this thing turn together? Does the red... look at that thing. This is like on there. Like, look, holding the trend line. Okay? Look, we are holding the trend line. This bad boy is on there. Hold on a second. Let me get this up here. Oh my God, that is so close. Right? That is so close. Now, good news. This is actually, that's actually bullish right there that we flipped up for the daily. Like, that's a good sign. This is a bad sign, right? That's good. This is bad. Okay. Right? So this is good going up, right? So that's good going up. The issue is your resistance. Let me draw my resistance. This is really your bear resistance area. So this is your bear resistance area up in here. Okay, so we're holding the trend line. Right, let's see if we can dig into this bad boy. Oh my God, we're on the trend line. Okay. All right, on the trend line, on the trend line. Actually, I want to type this in here. This is for the bulls. Right, this red box is resistance for the bulls. Okay, I'm going to come over and drop this-y. Okay, all right, let's see what else we got here. Oh, great. Hold on a second, everybody. All right, I'm back. Sorry. Okay. All right. Hold on a second. Let's move along. All right, trying to bounce off. All right. Ooh, there's the cross. Okay, so this is my problem with crossing on the damn price, right? So now that we've crossed on the price right here, right, this is why I don't like crossing on the PA, right? So what's happened is, this is the screwed up part about this, okay? Here, I can't do it like this. What I gotta do is I gotta do it like this. Give me a second. Okay, hold on. Hold on a second, hold on. Okay, this is what I don't like about this, okay? So what happens when you cross on the price is this, which is your 30 MA, right, is now equals your resistance, okay? And then this stupid 7 MA equals support, right? So it's so much easier when you do these crosses, right? This is grrr, grrr, exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point. These are my grrrs, right? So it's so much easier when you have the cross. See, look here, the 30 is R, the 7 is S, right? I hate these crosses. Okay, so I freaking hate these crosses. And the reason why I hate these crosses, because when you get a cross like this, here's what can happen a lot of times when you get a cross like this. What happens is you come here and it'll do like a little fake out. It'll go chicka chicka chicka, oh, I'm only kidding, and then it'll bounce back and then it'll bounce like this. So you can get this fake out, and this fake out can go both ways, right? You can definitely get this stupid fake out to where it'll go, oh yeah, look, and then it'll drop down and we'll hit our 7,000 range, which is our 50 MA. So there's our 50 MA right there. So it can go, oops, squiggle, only kidding. And then it can come down to our 50 MA, right? Which is going to be right here in probably 77,000, 7,200 range. So this is why I hate this. I hate these things. Very hard to play. Much, much harder to play. I did go over a bunch of these in the beginning of the video, so that should give everybody a pretty good idea. Yeah, oh, let me go for the Zill. Yeah, Zill's getting a little pumpy action on Zill. Okay, so listen, all right, let's go. So there, that's played out. Let's see. Okay, look, 4 hour, we did not break. We have not turned red, so that's good. These are all good. Our support's holding right here. Look at this. This is that we're on the ride or die support right here. Right, look at this. We're just kind of, look at this action of this. Up there, chicka, 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 chicka. I mean, it's just like, it's going back and forth, and that means it's trying to bounce right here. It's trying to bounce, right? And you lose this area, right? And this is, you know, your little hospital ambulance goes up, you know what I'm saying? And carts the bodies as they bounce off the ground, you know, to wherever they got to go, right? But we're holding this pink line, and this pink line is kind of like, you know, you fall and the balls are going to drop, right? So we're still holding this pink line, which is good. But on the daily close, this forever is going to be here now. This is the pink line is here now, right? So even if this bounces back, it's good because, you know, we'll see where this bounced off because we just closed the daily out on this. This is a daily chart. Let's take a look at any of our crosses. Here's the thing. We don't have a lot of bear crosses going on right now. We really don't. Right? We don't have a bunch of bear crosses. Right? We don't have much in the way of bear crosses here at all. So let's bring this up. Bring up the 12-hour. And then there's the daily cross. That is a pain in the vamp's butt, right? Hate this cross. Hate, hate, hate. Hate, 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 right? So the cross is complete there. All right, let's go down. All right. Oh, all right. Top side. Our top side's now moving down. 81.45. So look at all the resistance on the top side for us right here. Like this 81 side. See, I was hoping to load my shorts at that 81, at the 8100 range. That's really where I wanted to load my shorts at, right? Brand new candle on the 3-day right there. Nothing. Support at 71.32 with that monthly. Got to scoot this along. Lots of support. Let's see what we got here. Middle Gauss. We're under the middle Gauss, but struggling. 12 hours trying to roll back over. Daily's trying to roll back over. Ooh, look at this. So this is your 3-day trying to hold with this tweezer bottom right here. Like that little kind of almost tweezer bottom is trying to hold right there. Your support keeps moving up, which is great. There's our support. This is our 3-day. And yeah, everything looks all right. So no warning signs there. Nothing there. Nope. Okay, so we got this big bounce here off of this area, off this historical, right? Historically, this has been kind of a bearish bounce. You hit this, you go up, you bounce down, you go up, you bounce down, so on and so forth. So higher highs, lower lows on the price action. So we're looking for this. Now, this is called a J-hook pattern, right? So you can get a J-hook, and you can still get a bearish J-hook. See, look at how this is moving down right here. But the MACD is moving up, and you bounced off exactly the same area. You also did the same thing here, and you've done the same thing here. Look, you bounced off relatively the same area right here. Let me stretch this across, right? So see that right there? Right, you see that? And then so you've basically bounced off that same area. It's probably a little high right there, right? Okay, you bounced off that same area right there, but they're bearish bounces. It's a bearish bounce that occurs right here. All right, so nothing, 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 maybe something. So our bull line is on top of our histo line. What happens when the bull line gets on top of the histo line? It just turns into a mess. Okay. Sorry, just trying to see what I got going on here. Alright, watching. Sorry, everybody, I'm just watching. I got to check all the charts. Weekly still hasn't closed yet. Let's see what we've got. Still working as support. This trend line still working as support right there. Longs to shorts, no one knows where it's going. That just shows proof in the pudding. Weekly support still holding. This hasn't closed yet. And chalk and money flow, nothing. Coming down to test this lower support line that's been tested in the chalk and money flow line and the 30 MA multiple times, right? So look, they're coming down, trying to test that bad boy. So let's go back. Just want to make sure we got everything here. Boy, has this thing ever curled over at the same damn time. I'm seeing if the red has curled up before. I just don't see it. There it is. Okay. Yeah, when it does not do it well. Look at that. When it curls around at the same time, it is ugly. Right? Look at that crazy bounce and then a retrace. Okay. Oops. All right. All right, that's all I got. We can do a couple alt skis. You guys want to do a couple alt skis? Take a couple questions. What do you guys got? Oh. No, I'm on. You guys can't hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? 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 Graham, you're... okay, Evil Jammer. Chris, how do you see BTC developing over the next couple of months? Any chance we will see 4 to 2K again? Really hard to get down to 4 to 2K. Really hard. Right? Really hard. Is that better? Is it a little better? Okay. Yeah, it's going to be really tough. I am getting a little breakout on 1 over here. Go 1, go. Thoughts on scroll rebrand? Knox, so here's my thing. Here's why I think they did the scroll rebrand. Number one, there is another token out there with a scroll SCL, I think it is. SCR, it's really close to them. I like the new XD. I like their new logo. I like it. Much easier. Much easier. I like it. I like the X. I like the D. I like it. Scotty, here's the thing. Right now, where we're sitting right now with Bitcoin. Look at Raven. Yes. So right now, where we're sitting on Bitcoin, I still think we need to either get out of this damn 8,200 area. Right, we need to get out of this damn 8,200 area and like with a quickness, over 8,240. We need to get up to 8,400, 8,500 with a quickness, or we're just fucked. We're totally gonna be screwed here, right? Listen, Raven is a hold, right? Raven is a hold for me, so I'm holding Raven, right? So I put it up here, and where's my holds? They're in here. In the members area, you guys can see what my holds are. Oh, Raven, Scroll. I do have a tiny amount of BAT, right? But right now, I'm playing one, right? I'm very, very, very careful on LTC right here. Right. Hey, Vamp. Josh says, hey, Vamp's thoughts on the power of BTC move from the bottom compared to previous years. Absolutely insane. The only thing we have is comparing to 2011, 2013. Those are the only bull markets that were anywhere near this. But you see why we hold Raven long term. We like Raven. This actually made an inverted. Both of these did. Both of these did this. They both did. Bing, 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 bing. Right? Both of these did that. Right there. Right? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these both did this inverse head and shoulders on Raven. Right? But Raven for us, like I said, Raven is simply a hold for us. We're holding Raven, right? And that's how that baby goes. Right? INV. Okay, BABSV. I am holding a bag of SV, right? I am holding a bag of SV because I do think SV one day I am a bag holder, right? I do think one day that SV will be, and I don't care how low this thing goes. I think, well, I do care. I do care. I'll abandon my bag down here past 618, right? But I bought it 55, so it doesn't matter. But I mean, I am a bag holder. I still think this has a chance to get all the way up to 500. Token, I'm watching HST. So these guys don't need a bunch of money to charity. So we really need to keep an eye on this, everybody, right? If these guys do get listed on Binance, this thing will go moondicular, right? HST, right? Don't forget this one, right? If they get listed on Binance, listen, KMD, the absolute most beastie thing. This was a call from Until 1 Mil. He made this call all the way back here. You've made 60-some% on this call, right? KMD, right? At Until, right? Best call ever, right? I mean, awesome. Plus 61. Plus 60, we'll just call it plus 60% on this, just outperforming the market, right? ICX, see what we got in ICX over here. I still have this in a bullish triangle. If it falls out and dies, right? I'm not going to play ICX till it breaks out. EOS, tough. I had this swooshy thing. Played out perfect for my swooshy thing. And then look at this thing. It's doing another swooshy thing. Swooshy, 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 right? So it's just doing a multi-layered. Wow, is that a triple bottom? No, it's not. Is that an inverted head and shoulders? Kind of a hardcore one to play out if it did. Right, it's really hard to play that out if it did. Let me get rid of that. If it did, this thing would play out something much more hardcore like that. This is a W bottom. Right? Is this a W bottom? Right? So there's EOS. The BTC pair, is that a W bottom? I'm going to need some help out there. Yes, yep. All right, link, yeah, trying. ADA, still, I have this still in a bullish triangle. Yeah, that just keeps losing all the supports right there. Ethereum, weak. Very, very, very weak. Right? That's all I got to say about Ethereum. Ethereum is totally crap in the bed. Kind of leading the way, right? And this might be a good warning for us, right? Like, this might be a really good warning. Why is Ethereum shooting the bed, right? Right? So why is Ethereum... This might be our warning signal, right, for BTC, right? Why this is concerning. Warning. Is this telling us that ETH is leading the market? Right? Is that what this is doing? Is this telling us that ETH is leading the market right here? You always listen. Litecoin, Ethereum like to lead the market. BNB, if you guys saw, if you're in the group and you're in my BNB group, you guys know that I called this bad boy out yesterday. Where's our BNB trade? Right, there's our BNB trade. Look at that. Just, you couldn't get over that, that 30 MA. Just banged into the 30 MA and it couldn't. Right? So that was not good. Quark, not looking good. I'm watching RLC. It's at the very bottom. This is Walton Chain. This is from Daniel. Daniel's playing this. Daniel likes this. Daniel. All right, come here. Okay. Daniel likes this. All right, so Daniel likes this one right here. All right, Binance, WTC. Daniel likes this one. All right, I'll give this. Scroll, still love my scroll. Look at that, cup and handle. There was the cup and handle over there. And then this is definitely doing some kind of a cup and handle here. Litecoin, still holding it up there, right? Of everything I'm telling you guys, like Litecoin is, you know, we're coming to the halving, and there's a huge chance that we go to the moon with the halving. Now, it doesn't have to get to its peak until after we do the halving. People think it has to do it before. It doesn't. It can do it after, right? But Litecoin is like, yeah, Litecoin's like, all right, I see you, BTC. You're screwing around. You know what I'm saying? Like, right? This is still a solid pick with tight stops, right? Because of the halving. So you got the halving coming. Adam, same, you know, Adam's trying to put in a same thing over here. I'd like to see Adam put in this. Bang, 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 bang. Right? That's what I'd like to see Adam do. This is what I would like to see Adam do. Right? But I want to see it. So, but that means it's got to go down. Adam, I would like to see this, but the entry is tricky and also needs to go a little lower. Right? So that's possible. You know, it's also bearishly possible. Seller. Seller's doing okay. Seller's doing nice. Right? Right? This is one of my, I like Seller. This is one of those scammy market maker coins. This is one of those scammy market maker token plays. Right? Still looking good. T-Fuel. Hit resistance. Ooh, that's ugly right there. FET, look at FET. Nice play on FET. So FET finally broke out, and it's about to hit my target 1. Right, this is my Tease token, and we're going to do FET. I freaking hate this thing. About to hit target number 1. Right? This will also be resistance. Resistance. It will be a resistance. Matic. In this long, look at that, just in this big rising wedge. No likey rising wedgies. Right? No likey rising wedgies. Gonna get rid of this. Like, I do not like rising wedges. Like, seriously, if this thing breaks, if this thing loses this area right here, it's just going to go right back to there. Right? Matic, right? This is one of those IEO scammy market maker tokens. Right? Right? In a massive, right? In a massive rising wedge. Right? Okay, bat. I do have a little baby bag of bat, right? I am holding a little baby bag of bat. I don't know. I'm a vampire. I'm a vampire! I gotta have a bat, right? I have a small bag of bat because I am a vampire. Oop, not an umpire. Vampire. Because I am a vampire. Right? So I have to hold bat. It is a vampire law. Right? It's a vampire law. Look at Raven. Woo woo! Woo woo! Go vamp. Get busy. Go vamp. Get busy. You're welcome. All right. That's enough. All right. There's the party. The members should have got that. Okay, so yes, I am holding bat because I am a vampire. Bat. I have to hold bat because. All right. All right, there we go. I'm moving. Here we go. TRX. Eaten just complete butt. TRX is eating a whole bag of donuts and a bunch of other things that are not healthy for you, right? Like bat not doing good at all, right? So bat is not doing good. Really coming back to test this channel right here. I'm sorry, TRX not looking good, right? Let's see here. Let's see what our old TRX call was. Yeah, so TRX. Yeah, I don't even know where that chart is. Where the hell's that chart at? That looks the same, right? Oh, it's a 60-minute chart. Got it. I was like, Jesus Christ, how's that look so different? Got it. There's that up. There's that squiggle, and then I have down. Okay. Got it. ZIL? Eek. XRP, not good. XRP, also not good. Got to be careful here. XRP is retracing. Now, listen, this can still be an ABC wave here until this, I mean, it's got to be really close. You guys got to be really close right here. Be real careful because this got to, you know, this would do A, like B, it's got to hold that and then run to that C level right there. Otherwise, that is done, right? Otherwise, that trade is done. So there's going to be your C. You're going to look for a D up here, right? Then an E, and then this thing is going to go like that. It's going to go just like that. So this is what you've got. You still got this long play out right here on XRP. Very challenging to play XRP right now, even with all of the good news, right? There's a whole bunch of good news on XRP. Right, a whole bunch of good news. Look, we hit target number 1. Never got the bottom call over here in the weekly, and that's always been disconcerting, to say the least. Okay, like I said, the tokens you really just want to kind of keep an eye out on right now are Litecoin. You want to watch Litecoin, and you want to watch. So you really want to watch Litecoin and BTC. I mean, these are the keys. This is the critical thing. Listen, we've got to. I missed most of my longs. Sorry, shorts. I missed most of my shorts. So, but listen, everybody, just do me a favor. We just need to be very careful. And listen, I'm not talking 100-point dump. That doesn't count. 100-point dump just brings us back to this trend line right here. I'm talking, we need to like take a dump, like, you know, like, hey, I just ate at you know, a street food cart in Tijuana, you know what I'm saying, or in LA, I just ate off of one of those roach coaches, the work things, you know, and you know I've got the squishies like that. Got to take a dump. Like this is the kind of dump we need to pull down. Like this is, you see that we're in this rising wedge right here, right? We're in this rising wedge, and I saw, you know, we had a little pump up, but we still got to just be careful. Listen, yeah, I don't know. I'm hoping we can get up to 81, 8,200 before we fall out here. That's all I'm hoping for, okay? I'm going to do this. Give me a second, though, people. Let me go take a look at the daily chart. Yeah, this just looks like a rising wedge. This is not a very good candle. You want this candle at the bottom of the trend. Let's see what 3-day candle we just... See, this is not exactly the good 3-day candle you guys want. Right, that is not the 3-day candle you want, because this is the possibility with this 3-day candle. Give me a second. Give me a second, peoples. No, that's not it. Where is it? Hold on, I'm going to find it. I'm looking, hold on. There it is. So this is what I'm, you know, really watching for right here. Right? So listen, here you go. Right? So, you know, you're doing this, you know, like this. Look, like you had one top, Oh, red. Let's go to red. Red pen. So you had this first top right here. You had the second top right here. Right? There's that first top right there. There's the second top right there. And now you have this. You do have a lower low right there, though. So you do have a lower low with this candle. But this still is kind of an inside bar candle. So I'm watching this inside bar candle. You know, what this thing can do is it can, you know, can squiggle and then drop, right? That's what this thing does. It's squiggled and then dropped, right? So you're really, you know, until you break this level right here, 75.40-ish, right? So 75.40 is going to be, unfortunately, our real call for a short here, right? I mean, it's we got to just plunge all the way down there to get that short call, right? Let's go back up here. Right, so 75.40 area. Area is a confirmed bear break for us to the 77,000 to 71.75. Okay. All right. Let's pull this back to 12-hour. I wanted to see that daily close. Let me see the daily close. Let me check a look at the volume also. Hold on a second. Yeah, bearish volume, right? So this is bearish, down. Come on, my damn pen. There it is. So down, price action was going up. So we have bearish divergence kicking in. So there's the bearish divergence kicking in. And look at our play on scroll on one, guys. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, I'm going to take profits on this baby because I am not going to risk this. Like, just be careful in this trade, everybody. Right? One. All right. Nice. I will be watching this like a hawk to take profits. Right? Because BTC is still unstable. Right? All right, there we go. Okay. This back to, there's the daily, 3-day, weekly candle. Let's see what the weekly candle still looks like. Still ugly. It's still a really good bearish candle though. Right, bearish divergence on the weekly. That was perfect. Takes back down to 4-hour. You got a freaking bull gap. Figures. A freaking bull gap at 8,000. Figures. All right. All right, and I will write notes on this chart. I still have shorts looking for a home up here, 8,100 to 8,250. Okay. All right, that's it. Anybody have any questions? Anything else I want to say? Oh, wait, a member's question. Des is saying he got out of his Litecoin trade. Yeah, I just think we just need to hold on to our little horses right here until we can get a better idea of what's going to happen right here. Okay, I think we just got to be really, really safe right here in all our trades, in all aspects. You know what I'm saying? I'm worried. I'm worried honestly for a lot of these trades here that I don't like where BTC is, right? So BTC still has me. So look. All right. This is me and BTC. That is straight me right there in BTC. Right? I am like holding on the edge of a cliff. Like, just, I'm telling you guys, like, I can't even, I don't know what to say to you. I don't know how to tell this to you, but I want you to know I love all you guys out there. Thank you, all you members. I'm trying to do my best for each and every single one of you. Trying to do as many secret sessions as possible and many live videos while Until is out of the country. All right? So, thank you all so much. I am the Vamp. We are all from Trading Associates. Thank you all, and I am out.